In this video, I show you how to download Microsoft Flight Simulator. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Before we get any further, I need to make it clear that Microsoft Flight Simulator is a paid game, so I'm going to show you how you can go and purchase it, and then go and download it onto your computer. Let's do this. In order to go and get Microsoft Flight Simulator on your computer, you first need something called Steam. Steam is basically an app which allows you to go and run games, and it's sort of a store as well. So to go and get Steam, all you need to do is go and open up a web browser. This can be any, I just use Google Chrome, and then go to a search engine. Then what you need to do is go and search for Steam. So literally type it in STEAM like so, and here we are. Then what you need to do is make sure you go to the official website, which is steampowered.com. So come to store.steampowered.com. Now, before we get any further, what I recommend doing is creating a Steam account, as it's a lot easier to go and create a Steam account on the Steam website than after you've gone and downloaded the Steam app. So go to the top right like so and go and tap login. Then it's going to ask you to sign in, but if you come below this, as you can see at the bottom, we've got the option to go and join Steam. So tap here, and then what you can do is go and create your account. However, I already have one, so I'm just going to go and sign in. After you've signed in, you then need to go to the top right again and go and tap on install Steam like so. Then what we can do is actually go and download the Steam application. So tap on install Steam, and then it's going to go and start downloading. And what you'll need to do is go and open up your downloads folder in your file explorer to go and find the installer. Here we are in my downloads folder, and as you can see, here is the Steam setup file. So all you then need to do is go and double click on it like so, and you're going to go and get a Windows security pop-up. Then you're going to go and get the Steam setup file, and all you need to do is tap next and just install Steam like you would any other program. It's going to download a bit, and then we can go and open it up. After you've gone and installed Steam, you'll then need to go and log into your account, which you just went and created. So I'm going to go and sign into mine now, and then once you've done that, you can then just go and tap sign in. And here we go, I'm now logging into Steam, and as you can see, it's now loaded. You may go and get some pop-ups, but you can just go and close them. All you need to do is make sure you go and select the store in the top left like so, and then what you can do is go and tap on search, and you can then go and search for Microsoft Flight Simulator. As you can see, it's actually already found it. We've got a few different options here, so go and find the one you'd like. You've got the Flight Simulator 40th anniversary, and you've also got Flight Simulator X. In this case, I'll get this one here. Then what you'll need to do is scroll down the page, and as you can see all these different versions we can go and buy. So if I want this one here, all I'd need to do is go and tap on add to cart like so, and then it's going to be in my shopping cart, and then what I can do is go and purchase it. So what I need to do is tap on purchase for myself like this. You'll then need to go and choose a payment method. As you can see, there are so many to go and choose from, MasterCard, PayPal, and so many more as well. Then you can go and press on continue like so, and you can go and review your purchase, and if you're sure, you can then go and tap on purchase. And after you've gone and purchased it, we can then go and download it. So to do that, you just need to go to your library like so, and it's going to appear in your library, and then once you want to go and install it, go and tap on it like so, and then it should go and say install. However, a lot of the time when you go and purchase an app or a game, it's going to automatically start downloading for you, and you can go and view the progress in Steam. Now, once you've gone and then downloaded it, to go and play it, all you need to do is come to a library. You can then go and tap on it. In this case, I've only got Counter-Strike, but you go and have Flight Simulator, so you can tap on it, and then where it says install, there's going to be a play button, and you can then go and play the game. If you guys found this video useful, please consider leaving a like. Peace.